Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, a region of unfathomable mystery where over 50 ships and planes have vanished without explanation. This is not just a legend, but a terrifying reality that has haunted sailors, pilots, and scientists for decades. The very fabric of our understanding of time and space seems to unravel within its boundaries. The Bermuda Triangle spans approximately 500,000 square miles, covering parts of the Atlantic Ocean off the coasts of Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. This seemingly innocuous section of ocean has a history of inexplicable incidents, with some of the most advanced technology of our time succumbing to its mysterious forces. On February 17, 1948, Flight 19, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy TBM Avenger torpedo bombers, vanished while on a routine training mission. No distress calls were made, no wreckage was found, and the disappearance remains one of the most baffling in aviation history. For many who have crossed paths with the Bermuda Triangle, the experience is forever etched in their minds. "It was like being in a nightmare," recalls one survivor. "I saw things that I couldn't explain. It's as if the very fabric of reality was shifting around me." Such testimonies raise more questions than answers about this enigmatic region. The USS Cyclops was one of the earliest recorded incidents within the Bermuda Triangle. On March 4, 1918, the ship disappeared while en route from Rio de Janeiro to Baltimore. No wreckage or debris were ever found, leaving behind only speculation and mystery. Pilot David Birch recalls his harrowing encounter in 1975. "I was flying my private plane when suddenly I experienced intense turbulence. My instruments began to fail, and I felt a strange, unexplained force pulling me off course." Birch managed to escape the triangle, but not without leaving behind a trail of unanswered questions. Researchers have suggested that methane gas bubbles rising from the seafloor could be responsible for some disappearances. When these bubbles reach the surface, they can cause ships to lose buoyancy and sink rapidly. However, this theory cannot fully explain the disappearance of the USS Cyclops or Flight 19. Some scientists propose that a unique combination of ocean currents and magnetic anomalies within the triangle could be contributing to disappearances. However, this theory remains speculative and requires further research. As our investigation continues, we must consider all possibilities, no matter how extraordinary they may seem. Theories abound about what's causing these disappearances. Some point to the area's unique geography, where the Gulf Stream meets the equator. Others blame magnetic anomalies, which can disrupt compass readings and lead sailors astray. Many experts believe that methane gas bubbles rising from the seafloor could be responsible for some disappearances. When ships sink, these gases can create powerful underwater explosions, leaving no wreckage behind. Rescue efforts have been hampered by inadequate communication systems and a lack of coordination between authorities. Even with modern technology, searching for missing vessels in this vast expanse remains a daunting task. Survivors' accounts often speak of unexplained phenomena, glowing orbs in the distance, eerie whispers on the radio, or inexplicable shifts in weather patterns. These tales fuel speculation about supernatural forces at play, a prospect that's both captivating and unsettling. Despite numerous investigations, no concrete evidence has been found to explain the disappearances within the Bermuda Triangle. However, researchers have proposed several theories to account for these events. One such theory is that methane gas bubbles rising from the seafloor may cause ships to lose buoyancy and sink. Studies have shown that methane gas is indeed present in the waters of the Bermuda Triangle, although at levels considered safe for navigation. However, some researchers suggest that the gas could be released from underwater geological formations, potentially contributing to the mysterious disappearances. Another theory suggests that human error and navigational mistakes may be responsible for some of the disappearances. In fact, several naval exercises have been conducted in the Bermuda Triangle to test the limits of navigation and communication equipment. The Bermuda Triangle remains one of the most enduring maritime mysteries. As we delve deeper into the investigation, it becomes clear that there are still many unanswered questions and unresolved theories. But what if the truth is not just about human error or natural phenomena, but something far more sinister? The Bermuda Triangle's mystique has captivated us for decades, but what lies beneath its enigmatic surface? Some say it's a natural phenomenon, while others believe in supernatural forces at play. We've delved into the incidents, interviewed experts, and scoured the data, but the truth remains elusive. Despite our best efforts, the Bermuda Triangle's secrets remain buried beneath the waves. Yet, its legacy endures, a testament to humanity's fascination with the unknown. The disappearances continue to haunt us, serving as a poignant reminder of nature's unforgiving power and our own vulnerability in the face of it. As we part ways from this enigmatic region, one question lingers: will we ever truly understand the mysteries that lie beneath?